Hello everybody, friends and family. I just wanted to share something that I saw a good idea online. As we know, there's a world shortage of masks due to the coronavirus, and I think we've come up with an alternative idea. It's just a simple thong, everyday thong that we ladies wear all the time, and I'll just demonstrate. It just goes over the head like that and clips behind the ears. Now, this is a Marks and Spencer's one, but I think, anywhere will do. I know the shops are closed at the moment, but you still probably will get them online. Just to demonstrate, we're all trying to stay safe in the Booth household. Well, Mama... Oh, yes. That's Rob staying safe. I don't know if my mum's quite got the idea. Mum will have to dig you a thong out. I think your knickers are a little bit too big and slack. So anyway, stay safe everyone. Bye. Hope this helps.